Jimbo, Chapter 2. Dedicated to every little heart that loves the earth and wants to help keep it bright and cool. Back in the frosty north of Canada, Jimbo, the snow-nosed slider, is ready for another day of icy fun. But oh no, something's different about his favorite snow hill. It looks smaller and the ice is making crackly sounds. What's happening to Jimbo's winter wonderland? Let's slide into the story and find out. Chapter 2, The Shrinking Ice Hill. The morning sun twinkled gently over the snowy bay. Jimbo, the cheerful polar bear with the sparkly snowflake nose, wiggled his paws in excitement. "Perfect day for sliding," he said, bounding toward his favorite hill. But when he reached the icy slope, Jimbo stopped and blinked. That's funny," he murmured. The hill looked smaller and thinner than before. Cracks, tiny like spiderwebs, zigzagged across the ice. He knelt down carefully, pressing his paw to the surface. Crack, creak, crack. Oh dear, the ice is singing, but not the happy kind of singing, Jimbo whispered. His friend Kelly, the snowy owl, swooped down. "Jimbo, the air feels warmer today," he said softly. "Even the snow near the shore is melting early." Just then, Frank the penguin waddled up. "I think our ice is shrinking, Jimbo. My sliding spot is half the size it used to be." Jimbo tilted his head and scrunched his nose. A single snowflake drifted down and landed right on it. Plop. "I guess even the snowflakes are worried," he sighed. But then Jimbo's eyes brightened. "We can do something. Maybe if we work together, we can keep our home strong and safe." Frank and Kelly cheered. "What's your plan, Leader Snownose?" Jimbo thought hard, rubbing his furry chin. "Let's remind everyone how special the ice is. We'll keep it clean, no litter, no fish nets left behind. We'll ask the animals to take shorter walks and share warm spaces instead of making more caves." The three friends set out across the sparkling tundra. They visited foxes, seals, puffins, and whales, telling them about the melting ice. Everyone promised to help protect their chilly home. The next few days, Arctic friends worked together. They cleaned up broken bits of plastic, kept their play areas tidy, and made sure not to waste food or energy. Jimbo even placed a shiny rock at the hilltop with snowflake carvings to remind everyone, "Take care of the ice. It takes care of us." One bright morning, after a few cold nights, Jimbo visited the hill again. The cracks had frozen over and the hill sparkled with new snowdrifts. "Wah!" he shouted, sliding fast and free. The flake on his nose twinkled like a tiny star. When he stopped, he looked around at the smiling faces of his friends, each one proud, each one laughing. Jimbo grinned. Seems like when we care for nature, it smiles back. The moral lesson of the story: loving our planet means taking small steps to protect it. When we care for nature together, it keeps shining for everyone. Jimbo's world became bright and strong again because everyone helped. Let's be like Jimbo and care for the world around us. Thank you for sharing story time with us. If you enjoyed Jimbo and the Shrinking Ice Hill, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and enjoy more gentle, meaningful tales. Come join our warm community where families read, listen, and dream together. See you again for more snowy adventures with our favorite snow-nosed bear. Thank you.